How big is the universe? The universe is very big. It is bigger than anything else we know about. We also know there is more beyond the edge of the observable universe. But we don't know how much. The universe is expanding all the time. It is bigger. Now then, when you start reading this sentence, expanding universe. 1. When the universe started in the explosive event Big Bang about 13.7 billion years ago, it was smaller than a full stop this page. 2. Within a trillionth of a second it fell into about the size of a football pitch. 3. The young universe incredibly hot and made of tiny particles of matter. It has been expanding, cooling, and changing ever since. 4. In 1998, astronomers discovered that the universe's expansion rate is not slowing down as the thought, but accelerating. 5. For the past 5 to 6 billion years, the universe getting bigger at a faster and faster rate. Universe info. 1. Dark energy, 72%. 2. Dark matter, 23%. 3. Atoms, 4.6%. Calculating scale. We can't see the universe's large scale structure easily because we are inside it. Computers have been used to simulate a cube-shaped region above, that is 2 billion Li across, and populated by about 20 million galaxies. Superclusters are groupings of galaxy clusters, which in turn are collections of galaxies. The universe is made of a huge web-like network of chains and sheets coinciding of superclusters separated by huge voids. Record breaker. The largest structure in the universe is the Sloan Great Wall, about 1 billion Li away from the Earth. It is a giant wall of galaxies that stretches for 1.37 billion light-year across the universe. What about me? The most distant object that most people can see with the naked eye is away. In the good conditions, some people can see the Triangulum Galaxy, 3 million light-year away. Blast from the past. (1781). William Herschel discovers Uranus, a planet twice as far from the Sun as Saturn, which until now is the most distant known planet. The known solar system doubles in the size overnight. 1916. Harl Shapley measures the size of the Milky Way, and finds it is much larger than previously thought. 1924. Edwin Hubble proves that small, dim patches of the light are distant galaxies, outside the way, and so the universe is more than just our galaxy. 1989. The Great Wall, the first huge, flat sheet of superclusters, is discovered by Margarnet Geller and John Huckra. 2003 to 2004. The Hubble Space Telescope looks further into ultra-deep space than ever before, and sees thousands of galaxies. The most distant are 13 billion light-year away. Mass interest. 1. Astronomers are often more interested in an object's mass than the size. 2. Mass is the amount of material something is made of. 3. In a star, mass determines how long. The greater the mass, the shorter the life. 4. The most massive stars are about 100 times the Sun's mass, and the least are 1/10 of the Sun's mass. In numbers. 1.3 million. The number of Earths that could fit inside the Sun. 1.4 million. The width of the Sun in kilometers, 864,900 miles. 3.26 million. The universe expands by about 72 kilometers 45 miles per second, for every 3.26 million li. 27. The distance in the light years from the Sun to the center of the Milky Way. 125 billion. The minimum number of galaxies in the universe. Astronomers have found a huge void, a 3.5 billion light-year wide region of space that is empty of the both normal matter, such as stars and galaxies, and of dark matter, material that we know is there but scientists don't know what it is yet. I don't believe it. Earth and the Milky Way galaxy, which is part of the local group of galaxies, one of the galaxy clusters that make up the local supercluster. In turn, the local supercluster is one of the supercluster that make the Pisces-Cetus supercluster complex, which is about 1 billion li long and 150 million light-year wide. Galaxy size. Galaxies are a huge collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter all bound together by gravity. The biggest galaxies are about 300,000 light-years across and contain about 1,000 billion stars. The smallest galaxies, known as dwarf galaxies, measure a few thousand li across and have about 10 million stars.